In this Procreate Dreams tutorial, we will learn step by step how to make a frog's eyes blink in the easiest way. Absolutely, you can download the file provided in the description for free and follow the steps together. Tap and hold on the canvas drawn in Procreate, then tap on the Procreate Dreams app and release the canvas after you choose the empty square file. From one of the red points, make adjustments to fill the stage like this. Tap and hold, then choose Convert Layers to Tracks. Now we have a group that includes several tracks: eyes, frog body, and a second group that has the background and bee. In this tutorial, we will be dealing with the first part, the frog's eyes. Now, with the eyes track selected, tap on the plus icon, choose Track, and you have a new empty track ready for drawing. Let's start drawing. There's a gray bar in the middle. Grab it slightly upwards to open the flipbook. Tap and hold on the green color to pick its shade. Let's start drawing the first frame. Don't worry about any extra edges. We'll hide them later. To hide the excess edges, tap and hold on the frame, then choose Clipping Mask. This feature makes the drawn frame appear only within the boundaries of the track below it. We will draw 2 more frames. The second frame will look like this. The last frame will be a complete circle. We will repeat the process to hide the excess using the Clipping Mask feature. It would be better if we add some details to the final frame and draw a separation between the eyelids. Now, we have the blink of the eyes. To make the closed eyes frame appear for a longer duration, tap and hold on the edge of the frame and drag it to the right. Copy the first 2 frames in reverse to make the eyes blink in the opposite of the closing motion. And this is the initial result. I see. It's better to make the closed eyes frame appear for a longer duration. To do this, tap and hold on the edge of the frame and drag it to the right while tapping one finger to move the following frames at the same time. I'll make it blink twice. Tap on Timeline Edit, select all frames and press Copy. Move the cursor slightly away and tap Paste. Woo! Now we have the cutest blink for the eyes. There's more to come in this free course. Stay tuned, and don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell to be notified of upcoming videos.